Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve these equations. So we have these equations, then what we're gonna do? Okay, let's get started. We don't have to waste your time. So the important thing is that we have to take these factors, multiply cross to this factor, okay? So then we will get these factors multiply with these factors. Okay, and then equal to 8 minus square root of x here. The next step is that we are going to expand these two factors. Okay, let's do it then. So we can take each term of the first factors multiply with each term of the second factors. So then we get 9 multiplied with square root of x. Then we will get 9 square root of x minus 9 square root of x plus 1. And then now we take this term multiplied into each term of the second factors. So then we will get, we have square root of x plus 1 times with square root of x. So then we will get square root of x factor with x plus 1. And then minus. So we have square root of x plus 1 multiplied with square root of x plus 1. Then we will get x plus 1 like this equal to 8 minus square root of x. Okay, now we have this. For these two terms here, I can take negative in common, then we will get this term, and then when we take negative in common, then this sign will change to negative as well. Okay, so then will be negative with this term. Okay, then minus this term. Okay, and then now we can expand this term. We will get negative x and negative 1. And now I can move the right hand side to the left hand side. So the sign will change to negative 8 and then positive square root of x equal to 0. Okay, then now I can take 9 square root of x and then move negative x here closer to this term. Okay, and then minus with this. Okay, and then now we have negative 1 and negative 8, then will be negative 9 and then plus square root of x equal to 0. For these two terms here, I can take square root of x in common, then we will get square root of x and then 9 minus square root of x. Okay, and then for these two terms here, we can take square root of x plus 1 in common, and then we will get 9 minus square root x as well. And then for the second, and for these two terms, we can just take negative sign in common, then we will get 9 square root of x equal to 0. Okay, so now we can see that each term has 9 minus square root of x, so we can take 9 square root of x in common. So then we will get square root of x and then minus square root of x plus 1 and then minus 1 equal to 0. When we have two factors times together equal to 0, we can give each possible cases equal to 0. Now we give these factors equal to 0. Okay, so now we can solve for the values of x. Then we will get negative square root of x equal to negative 9. Okay, so then I can square both sides of the equation. We will get x equal to 9 squared, which is equal to 81. Alright, so then for this equation we give it equal to 0. So then we will get x minus square root of x plus 1 equal to 1. But for this equation, as we know, x is always greater or equal to 0. So the values of x is always greater or equal to 0. That means square root of x is smaller than square root of x plus 1. So smaller number minus greater number, then it is impossible that could be equal to 1. Then assume that this equation has no root in real numbers. Okay, so then we don't have to solve it. We just write that x is not belong to a real number. Okay, so finally we take only x equal to 81 is the answer. Okay, so now put therefore x equal to 81 is the root of the equation. So now we have finished solving this equation, and thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye, see you in the next video.